your party, they go still come there, still do what they want do, you know, and not blame Ebony for that one. Now let us come to how this issue starts. You see, according to Ebony video here now, Ebony said, Sharon, let Sharon OKPAMEN, may her soul rest in perfect peace. But as then don't beg her, try she for rest. God bless you. Ebony said, she na best friend to let Sharon OKPAMEN, which Sharon OKPAMEN never died before they can get issue. Now, it's really showed here that this problem where be say Ebony and Izzy one start so. Let's assume say we go put her in this area, say na Ebony na like trigger the fight. You know, I know they come here, might call insult person. Take give people my word. No. Okay? Iyana ni gugwana na ya adiyan. You understand it, man? So man in Irovinya ya buyan day. You know why I say me look to this side, say na Ebony na trigger this fight where she with Izzy one start so. And I pray the fight should stop. Because both of them are supposed to know their right from their left. Because this is not the right time for both of them to start fighting when their friend is still on the mortuary. They never buried their friend. This one say she was my best friend before. This one say she's still my best friend even before she died. Two of them, Izzy and Ebony. God bless you, Ade. You see, and I say I'm not wrong. Ade even say yes, Ebony triggered it. My beg me time and I take a more. So we go look out for this side. The way when me want to look at more, I look and say now Ebony want trigger this fight now between she and Izzy. Why did I say so? Why I might not be right. That is why I don't need to insult them because I feel not right. Now waiting, if I just say I right, just now I feel just insult them. I don't need to insult them. But this is waiting I think. Okay, now Ebony Obasuyi, my Edo sister, me myself, Ambassador Edo here. You be woman why I like. You know why I like you? The way they do your things, they do your program, they do everything. I just like you. Like your hustling. You understand? If I even get any area, say I fit up Chelsea Mohammed, I greet you. Get any area. No, not be Ebony. No, not what you still give your opinion. I go even support you like you still support me tomorrow. That is the likeness there, okay? My sister, lady of song do video where be say she talk on a friendship apple. Even when these ladies they come there and enemy bride or something, she called you, tell you say, babe, see these friends so then they come. Oh. You even talk say, no, if they here, if they come, I no go come. Even when they apologize, they don't beg you, may you leave the matter. You don't leave the matter. Which I don't feel blame you. But by right, if somebody offend me Ambassador Edo here, somebody offend me, I apologize, at the rest. Now make me on this video this evening, what did this lady do? This golden, where be say she offend Mama Sharon, this innocent man. She came out fast to come and apologize. After she don't listen to waiting with the Edo people for media, they talk, say waiting she did do, no good. I don't feel still because of that one, blame you. Ebony. Say, person offend you, they beg you, you know, forgive. No, but if it is me, somebody offend me and they beg me, instantly, I they forgive and move on. Because if I not forgive, now me can offend God. Moreover, I not be God. We don't offend God. We be say, God forgive us for our sin. Talk less about we human. If somebody offend you, he apologize, you need to forgive. Okay, this set of friends of yours, they beg you, do not forgive. Esther Dokpa, lady of some call you say, see what you want up, babe. You reply to Esther Dokpa and say, if they did there, babe, I not go come. It makes accept the apology. No, everybody move on. Okay, this babe can't die now. Sharon now can't die. Okay, say they even call meeting. Take settle the matter. Take settle them, but Ebony still refuse. Okay, now That was Izzy pain. Okay, now Sharon don't die now. Everybody they cry. Everybody they happy. More talking like that. People go they cry. People see they continue their activities. If to say Namibia be you, Ebony can when I give no CM and I can me, amen, Tana, the door, I told again, I told Lega, Namie, move your jaw, a waeno. Or very ted of Agmona where I will be by where Abawanale. Imanagbat you what ota, Wokona Ragmon, or my woo. Or si we nu wagbasi obo be de na lady of song no pe mapa. Ona be tie ona we babe. Sharon with all these babes that they come my event to the way that woman take the respect friendship, which always say. Now, when I ever reply to lady of song where babe, if they did there, I no go come. It means umahe webe zoni, which omade do buayo is your life. But if I were you, Eminua itewu, vene Sharon wa, vene Sharon wuna, when Minua tewu, oga dawe, uge aru orion, u adoboso uso wowa, u adobo weniti we wowa, ewe bazagba, because uga we bazagba, people will blame you, and I believe this won't trigger Izzy. If I don't blame you, where? Any pretender, Izzy no blame you when Izzy or manoma. I'm telling you the truth, my sister. Do you know why? Check come they come. Number one, this late disease now, you cannot play again. Even when she was alive, lady of song call you, say, I bet, babe, you reply, lady of song, say, babe, if these people come, I not go come. It means you didn't accept the apology. You people were not friends anymore. You and late Sharon. Okay, now Watako pass Gary say, this is our sister. May I so rest in perfect peace. Or monoseni ye veraya yo. Sharon OKPAMEN. Onado pass away. If I were you, onado ye vi kunama kuve wowa na ya kuwe. They or the board davenu tiny god or dawe cry for inside your house. Cry for inside. Not let people hear say you even cry. Not let people see you. Because better people will get sense. Ebony, if they see you say you cry for streets, they go look. They go even call you witch. I'm just telling you the truth, my sister Ebony. Umawe say, "Oh man, not no. Or see where not you where here we cool." But in my venue, I de o here areba. Uwe areba uwe de. And I have a settle wa. Uma yeve hon. Wabo mana yiku ori kodo wu. Then ori wuna. Ima vio ima gogo. When I do we video do ka we. Eri oke kena ya vie. Eri oke kena ya gogo a. Then Izzy na reply. Where da we menutana. If I were you, Ebony. Wa wari gbinana Ebony no denu warizina. Worry be. If I were you, stop. You know why I say you should stop? Number one, this late woman was not your friend anymore. Or Ragmon, ahimi awenu mwezo yoto mamu yoto. Or di kunu wede uwo areva uwude. Or ibune wena avie. Andu we ibe kami ma veni so we di woken waya wa. Nine. Veno kenya ni ayawe. Veno kenya ni ayamoe. Veno kenya ni ayawe. O maken we twasen yo. Emoera duwe wo wako we na wa vie. E party e bede we e yose we o ma ose we. Because we are not when I do analyze them we una Ebony no teme o ye do ve ni my sister. Aga when I analyze them we una then we are so na then we are buyo we wa ma gere wa ado ge we na we bede he. We na we bede he. Ko we ya we bede, which you are not supposed to do that. Which you are not supposed to do that. My sister, Ebony Obasuyi, you are not supposed to do that. And I when I do analyze and I do well leo that do work in nyela la hakes up o boy. And I when I do ball le, for example, ado tase ba we ago we bede since we dey vie mo do we ose ni wa ma igbaga ko ke wo ragbon ose le lady osongi hin awe ni yana we ade we na lady osongi na ti we woko imawe nyana hin arema we na ha me lady osongi arema me de ana o na seto wa we ma mwezo yo to de o ma na ri wuna uwe ita magbon we eri oken wa ya via bu wa yin na ya ku e igbina nu wa gbina na o ma ken we gun ayo. Do you know why? She's not your friend. She was your best before. That was before. Ihe wokere nu wakaya kuno eti yeda but oke nu vie you owa wo wake nu we na vie we ga vie la de o se we u ga vie la de me do ga mi dan people will not hold you like that woman uhina odo ye na very pretend. Okay, we ye vie la de we ye be awe birthday ah ho vie la de you stop your activities. I'm not here to emphasize on the issue most. Iwa do imi awe. Ebony Obasuyi. Wa bebe ni me wa ye para me ya we fi wa like you. You might not like me, but you may wa like we say e matter wa do tama we my sister. Igbinu wa easy na drop ude de me right wo at all. You don't have rights about this fight once winner win although you me man ibu do support Izzy although I maybe no je man ibu cause it been a raw we man do boost no support on na uge go on your can win cause man boy to say big bina a die oboji we do I presenter ya do ade by zinena where do ye lawa and which Emma we the Happy New Month, Angela. So, okay, say, Egoni, stop it, my sister. Uma right, Uma right at all, Ebony. Uma right. Or say, Agmona, Omana offend Oma, my sister. Honor do Nejabo, who really forgive, let go. Ebo, a salutation is not love. Agori on my day with Agbon, Tayi no, even waje. Wabe, Bosok ba meke wu, Uwayeti, Amiba, Magbe, Wadieva, Kube, Ajebe, Meba, yes, with Bobo. But a boy might get a row, very on your care woo. Or you guna, where do fear where do I wear? Where you are where? What get it? Or making where go on your way, go on your. Because I also where or Ragma when was settled where ho. Eke kuno day at you where we could now or wherever we were day. So what do I have you ever wear? Forgive is very important. Oh my sister. So you are not right about this fight. I condemn this fight you want to fight with your Edo sister Izzy. Egbina my sister Ebony. Laho wo. Egbini big bina na egbina no keke no gbina. Let us Kikash. Let us listen to Kikash. Kikash where you know here waiting Ebony talk. She said when Lady of Song was her friend was then. She said, Lady of Song is still my friend. So, Lady of Song gets in mind, Ebony not be your friend again. After you get married. Okay. Kikash, what exactly you are trying to let me understand, my sister? I imagine no cabo get a Lady of Song say she don't. They beg Ebony try for long, but she refused. That's not good now. Iyeki reply to Ade. Okay, maybe I will tell you. Iyeki obota jenogi, Iyeki cash. So, eti do go egwi be mena Ebony imerati do ya go egwi. But in the right, nido ya gwa your way, igbinana no agbinana, egbina my sister, or my kofo. Understand? Or you even imagine, I might have a best friend yesterday. But na mana wa clash, me. Ma kwe mi gbe ma to egbe, I ma gbera gbe wiku. Then o salo boy agi ami e wo ma ni wuva or wuva hwe. Then egbo imani bun eso temo no mai so temo ogedan. Then mega iladian. Me do avie me do able me man temo ni o magba now mabege o magba because o man na ogi me wa no makeni me do temo so egeni maya kuni ona do boje da me wo wa keni vie yi because the whole world here now with my way equal ma me gbeti ma gberagbe then ori wu na me ladia do atemo it do ate imano gwegun imano gun ayo ne gun ayo se me do agun agui be nana ege no na aragun ayin mi me ni ma wo emu eso to me wi me mu yo to mega mi ke party no dey imano nya party adoboti me we o gare ma me wo ore we dey so o ma gba so Ebony our Edo sister Osalobwanola aya we give dan you are one of our Edo sister Mahiana oduwa Mahiana titina ukponu we wa we like ukpono mano if Edo ya we yo veni me ye me like we so I will not love to see you nu ya we me God bless you Enogi I will not love to see you nudori egbe we ye igbina nana mi we uhiame wo win igbina ni wori abe o ma keke so la my sister eti do ka boss ye me natan igbina ni wa olu stop this fight and let the lying dog continue to sleep we had ogbina ni Sharon Ima ateme Sharon or Magin, ateme Sharon down. Is their choice. Please. La ho wo Ebony Obasuyi. Edegbe we video ya gwizi gwan or when is zero your wewo. If you even say now where you even love the Sharon, Umayi ke wa mako e ba mo dawe. If I were you play a wise part. What is the wise part? Easy at the boy gagu we no easy. So that Sharon should rest in peace. Because see you guys doing this, all you warokpa mama cho. Adu age weti say who no, it's my son. Adu age weti say who ya do aka. On either way I was Izzy best friend. Izzy do this one. Not by Izzy was nine. Look at the two babes who came out now. Do guye Sharon gwawe ni amie. Iyana rulela jana yana do apologize. If you do ahari I we ukame na you can wait to Izzy book we say who wa wow say who wa kai. Then nana wawe Izzy awawe swing. So you play as what I play the worst part to ignore Izzy. I saw the video I was playing. It might only play when your godmother was calling you. Wagajo mazi yezera okeken why the reason na ya my godfather my godmother. Listen, the reason of godfather today is they are in the position of your biological father and your biological mother. Each when I go work one igbina no agbina na we mu yo to each when I wa hona wo mu yo to ma mu yo to omodan e se ka work video. Then oderupo give a godmother we ga go work one mu yo to ado ogele bege no sunu na e godmother so ran a social media godfather so ran ro be una do ame godmother no re social media bege mi sunu and ukia waso igbina na we no mu yo to if I we you mu yo to o ma no bo ma di igbina emi no man o ma re ma we 218 and every igbina here fefe no re agbina you continue to ignore no ma re ma was working but wetin the igbina once in bloom if emi wo we reply ugmeso we reply manibu bebe the case na ye na video ni me pe na me bege even not tani ben agwo egun amana na godmother we win we ufie for ni you let go my sister Ebony mo ye mi we no masenu aga do mi ewu wa visio ke be do wa be gbina ye be Sharon we ga re we be tell Sharon 10 years ago Izzy be tell Sharon 20 years ago. It's not done. It's like a disgrace. Sharon need to rest in peace. This is a disgrace. A baby wahin. You people are supposed to mature. Okay, can I you why you look at all our Edo babe. Una get level, una get swag. Ki omomon wa do adona. Okay, can why ya tie gbo wa kugbe na ho why Ajebor na Italy. Why donate go 50 euro away ba a backpack na kere no? Why ri ewe miti wa ni? Wala ho ma we fe wo rebo Sharon ibi do ya fe atol na iba. Why ya do koni ba ni? Even why ya oku over why ya babe. Kesta dokpa yike ya. You people will fly down to Italy. Why ya mujina why ya mwe yige egberu da why ya ka ati kugbe? Even before some of you now leave the industry. But enena wamaewe dadore ke no rigland no rita no re Nigeria na wahia kodo filu gegbe. It's not done. You people are hurting the mother the more. When the mother is hearing a lot of secret to Wadua Talo, it's not done. The dead have gone. We should let her have peace. Emi no ken white una. When no wawo emaiga to egbe wa ye onu wo yeti we as the great Ebony you are. Ovie doni mayayi, ovie doni me like. Who carry white to egbe? You can fly to Italy. We are 2 years. Umwe ye live video we have Ebony ya visit here. Wa kan pa ye me €100 na. Evo yes surprise. But Ebony maiga to ho na. On my video, this is live today. You can do it. Oh, why have a year 40 egbe? Many times I donate €50. I want me a banny amun 1 hour. Why I want to be one more software. Egi winners na. Why want rage? Why want color the hair? Walao, if you do, Maria can't ladian. Even Mama Sharon will surprise. Where you now see Sharon, Kenoga see Sharon Ragmo, Kenoga oh yeah. Yana ya kukugbe nyana. Mana ni vie dona €10 no, €100 no, $1 billion no. Averi yo. This is what we need. Na do akitali gbina kitali ru video da no raise England, no England ru da no re Canada ru da no re Nigeria. Eme Sharon walitana. It's not done. So my sister Ebony Obasuyi, I will have been very, very happy see you. Don't respond again. Don't do any other video again. Let's go, my sister. More a video we do tamawe cause we video we umarati wo at all. A video we over doing it more or when for. Now let's come to Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Omoruyi hereke kan working cause egba no wafo even menogwana. You can even tell me tomorrow. You tried. Okay, can it momewe? Igbina onyanga ya fefefe nu Jesus then. No say we no pa area war. According to people, you were the closest friend to the last day. Ne Sharon pa area war. We say kakabo salobwa. People will still be there for you on the day you will also need people. But I also want to tell you this time around, if you love your friend Izzy Omoruyi, if you love your friend, you call Sharon OKPAMEN, who is no more again. Let peace reign. Let peace reign from now on. Never you attack anybody who comments, who writes. Okay, and anytime Ebony do tama, when Ebony tell me anywhere to where you can also ignore Ebony. Why ignore? Therefore, who will tell you the so beg him an or say no man work when I settle or mark where you do who be for. Let the God judge whoever that have commit crime. Because it may not be Ebony alone. Sharon was like this. You can't be doing that. You are not helping issue. That is not the area that you will use to help issue. We not kind of Sharon OKPAMEN. I will have advised you by now. You can. If you are more your friend with a decent way and educated way, let people know that deep in your heart you are really weak about the exit of your friend. And do social media no reply on a matona area na e no kan ya woni atale Sharon o salobo ga ne ya no e mata no ro salobo ajabia no oge no ro nwe Sharon ga ne ya. But you having the time to be replying, to be tapping on your platform, it's not done. You are given the opportunity and given the chance for all this problem to continue. Everybody is looking up to you where Sharon has a best friend before she left. And who is that best friend? Izzy. And you, the Izzy, you are supposed to maintain a peace. You are supposed to create a peace. Where I'm making an tell me Sharon, where you was said for? Oh my God, please now, everybody should forgive. Everybody should rest. Sharon, so rest it perfectly. Don't attack Ebony. Let Ebony do what that please her. As far where Ebony ma wag mo we so ni Ebony rovio. O so ni zero. Iya ye do boss we ni we. Then e ege not o si wa ya roto na. Ama e mo yoto. E na do ya agbi na be Facebook. You guys like Ojebe Isekuwa Manegbe. I did say you guys Isekuwa mean you guys enemy. Yes. Yes. No wu osiwa. Boy ya do wa hebe nyana bu wa igbina. They can na do wa. Ero. Ama emie we osikwo ne Sharon me ha ene abegin ave Italian uwe bakpan ya we video. Iya so or iya mi do wala o de be nyana la o ma aswa eruwe video na raise phone. Wa ma wa tegberi ropa. Mama ehoge is I was ye Sharon no say 5. Iya re ke ni ye Sharon je ya ruwe video. Veni me je na me ma ye Sharon ba o. Ima ye Sharon va o. But I'll be very happy now me I was ye Sharon then ya to ye Sharon. In na we video na ye Sharon. Oh ma be on ye okay na ya sympathize with Oma. And what do agbina ye Sharon gbina? Are you people happy the family? Are you people happy the mother Izzy? Izzy, you debunking anything that people said about Sharon. You are not using it to help the mother of the Sharon. Ignore people, let people say what they want to say. Oh man, no wu agmo. Or when I mean amen. Izzy, edena wu aria bevo. Emi na gbotale lo ma. Gi atale le. Unwo biere ga no bia no temi dalele, unwe ga no temi dalele. Then you go and close to the mother. Join the mother to be seeing the arrangement. Not having this time of replying Ebony. Leave Ebony alone. So my sister Izzy, uhia baby ya no size. Osalobo ikata ne ba we debawe. I ain't dog on my sister. But Osalobo anytime we ya need your book be your book. Osalobo all the give amudia ko we ni Jesu. He said, but again na ya gbe now. Let me read this comment no magma yema. Osage is say my brother. My question to Izzy is why is she always debunking people who give encouragement to Sharon mothers, but she will keep quiet when people attack her? Obeye? Mabe imadu agelelu when an imadu ata Izzy. If I were you Izzy, in this time around, you just don't attack anybody. Don't know how to say it. Don't even debunk. Iya we Sharon gboma wa oke wu gin ata we ge worry. Worry Osalobo aga ne o ma no ba oimi ori. Osalobo aga no eh. That's it. That's it. So that this woman issue should be out of saga. She's a do sister ni mayayo ne no sene no ne ra uniye o mo na yiye ni elo dene odoye to ne hulalakpa is really painful. Emi no ken attacking na dene na ye mo na azi ogine mo no ma positive e oge negative. See people is not sagging themselves. Ni rovije osebose wa yibe do arobi egbuwa e de oke ken na ya we ona egbose ni megwalo Salobo abi yo bitwa gume tose ni ta kokemo ni mo hu ayo ma o ni ye to no fo ayepan agbonare eden se kamera pa osope am o si okwu eme no do je meme do ya kien e saga we social media na ye am social media hu wa ya mo enu wa me hu wa ya ta. That's it. We are supposed to be saying rest in peace. They in the social media in a corporation area social media. By right. Okay, can you manipulate do 1 week my video? But what about you will see some will say no, some will say yes. But can the summer way no, so way yes, so mama barry no need. I tell me manipulate do no go with social media, my here away yes, it should be yes. I'm here 3 days. I ruwe social media. I ruwe social media, I ruwe video 3 days for Sharon. Everywhere urupa we give show where agameya we face on life. I have a meal for 3 days or 2 days or even 24 hours. We are supposed to do this. But when are we going to have all this cooperation? When is going to start? Okay, on my video. But okay ni mawe me one. Again wa no say wa ya ki gbinana. Easy. Ebony Obasuyi. Why value no market now? You guys are bigger than this. So my sister, Izzy Omoruyi, I will also don't want you to reply Ebony again. Like I tell Ebony, my brother Adaze, like I stop Ebony on this video, where Nebony get the way with video or coin, the way with video via Ebony EU. Metobi me a video via where I will come, I will change it to her. Yes, because I look at her as a sister. Okay, not here when a godmother any time I wear, no hair wear. And they married to Tama. Then, or the look give I don't even know when Izzy. Stop attacking anybody who is talking about Sharon. Gianta, my sister. Gianta, beg Sharon. No, we are not going to know Sharon Ganeya. Because you replying, you debunking, you say you know everything. People will still be there to say you don't know it all. Now me fair no Sharon before you. You will say no, now me fair no Sharon 2010. The other one will say now me no Sharon 2016. What is the meaning of all that? Although any magwalo ma. Any magwalo that time you know ya mo 1,000 euro ni Genesis eh well am go na ya gba rimona for 1 month. If I na me say no do no kan Sharon ma igwalo ma na. Or no kind enemy, not why a present friend. This does not important anymore. You guys should mature. You guys are big. You guys are big. When they start away, you know we're big. So you guys are babe. You know the meaning of babe. Una get level. Una get swag now. Una uswim and ivye dove swing ye wabe Izzy, Ebony, Okpayi, all the rest. Neni Sharon OKPAMEN so la wo wa put egbuwa together. This saga no waje Sharon una waje stop. The man on the social media we Sharon we go wasia e but e ugwa no carry I'll say. Ebony, please my sister. Edune huni mayagaga. Please stop this fight more. Stop, okay? Please stop more. Stop my sister. The emene godmother weta. The emene mene para miya wefita. And then where do come is skimming ya. Merenu so you video na go work movie is skimming. Maybe you might not see the video to know the like I have for you. I did. This was likeness. So la wo my sister more Ebony eyigmina ewe video we more hewewo la wo more ebinya geari nyako. And Izzy Omoruyi, please. We're not do a present friend to late Sharon. You have to maintain peace. Where a man ibugi na when any man ibugi ni walker can always a princess who a king who make a peace. Don't reply people you see they are saying negative of your friend. Forget. Your salobwa neya ne peace making a rain. Because Ije Robalo, Ije is not happy. Seeing where Atemovie Ugunga, story Ugunga Talelo Ovie, Avosio, or maybe no Jie. Salobwa, Rasudaria, no, ya may take Babe, no Magbani was a man. Salobwa, maybe my even more severe. Sepa ni mine or Ratoga, but when I wine, Agbari, how can what do it cagmo? Wa a para me ya for why you are 110 years or ya wu. Wa ga gwale we na ya happy man no can happy. That is a good something. E na do me go ma be gbe wo do we do la dia o di gbina no gbina ni me video me no gu we 110 years me ye do we gbina ni me a. Ma ye. O ye to we see problem ye family motor yan ahon awon ya ni ya so wo do. Nine. So easy. You tried, okay? You are a good friend to your late friend. But please maintain the peace line. Maintain it. Where to stop a video. Don't fight Ebony again. Don't fight Ebony again. Me Sharon Sigmina no wa. Emi obe ga Sigmina fine. But eme Sharon do aru we na ewo. Wa polo so no na gbe ne we emo si wa no wu wa ido ya gbe na odo ye to iseku wa ika. Which is not done. Except you know radio, why take contribute to my radio, okay, while we went. So editor say more Ebony Obasuyi where my sister. Thank you. Okay. Ade said we the Ajeboters support you, Epa. Thank you for supporting Ade. God bless you. Meaning I have spoke well, is it right? Thank you. It even on essay. While we take a kiniguata, kinimaguata, while we take a so any one with banana you talk if you do not woman. So my people, later in the day will come and talk about election. Election now, it don't they approach. Ade, thank you very much. God bless you. Okay, so we want you people to please encourage your family back home to vote PDP, to vote as women Iodaro and Barrister Osarodio Ogimona go see what Obaseki they do for Benin. Obaseki don't use Benin. If they use and be like Frankfurt, they use and be like Madrid. So Mona think I'm say the one way start we never finish you call. Who want finisher? No be aswing, na aswing. Una no fit go say una wan go vote Oshomule people. Oshomule now become a problem. Oshomule they carry they call woman Barry. A whole Oshomule elderly man. Somebody that went to school, somebody that is educated. USA Ade Cynthia ro taverna. Today Cynthia Wole. Cynthia is the first topic today Ade. Later in the evening before politics enter. Cynthia Wole, Cynthia Ogbekwa, Cynthia Ashawo ni jeje, Cynthia Kia. Where the picture you makere? We go Cynthia go for 5 minutes. Ade, God will bless you. When your boy Ade, Uji no gwada webe wa gu we here Ade wa je Cynthia ya webo. Owi gboha wa ma Cynthia wa webo me ite wa mi am Cynthia. Yi? Ne ba o ya me ite wa mi am Cynthia. O webo ya e view me ya reduce a view. E Cynthia we ni Cynthia we ya webo me ite te mi yen. Me ite me Cynthia. Ade, thank you. E ki a o me te me. See jazz where people they use you. Me ite te me Cynthia. Cynthia Ogbekwa. Cynthia kuna Cynthia nagba enu powodo. Cynthia wole Cynthia wait be cleaner for train station for UK say be nurse. Cynthia, I say make you screenshot your nyash the left side put am for social media make people see wetin dey. You not do as then. Na me go come post your nyash Cynthia. Na me want post your nyash for social media at last. People they beg me, people they call me because of you. Somebody called me about 4 days ago. Say he know you for UK. Now woman like you now I tell her say the problem where you cause for Benin City, you get question why I want ask you make you call. You say you no go call. You be ready to call or your stupid godson wey no know it right from he left. That no one nigga it no so. He say make you not call. Today you are still expecting at your age. The English people say traveling is a part of education. Waiting make you go UK. That's not it supposed to make you get sense. But at the end of the day, single sense you not get. Cynthia, you are a disgrace to yourself for expecting that boo could able to give you a child. Cynthia, my God, now they give person child. Boo nothing give himself bola even though he won't give you child. If boo even succeed, call native daughter wey they call for Benin, they fit give you child. Cynthia, that child you will name him social media. Because that child go dey saga you inside belle. If he even come down, you don't born am, he go saga you for hospital. You go back, the child go dey alive. Because how we a social media presenter go dey promise you say he go fit give you child? Because of that one, you descend so low to become a boy to boo. Now you dey show boo bra every night if you call boo. He say, I know they laugh and they roll for. Now you dey open bra for boo. When I go boo ass, we never quarrel. I don't see your face. You call. He show me for video call. He show you. He show me. I don't know, say na you on a video call. If you say na lie, Cynthia, if you never call boo boo boo, popularly known as Atiti Awekia, go curse. Carry Igbo juju, carry and call social media. If you never call Atiti for video call, Cynthia, I dare you, carry juju call social media. If you never call boo 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 Atiti no ho Atiti no go we kia esemi ejagbon ya no jewe ojo koko ni awo wo kan we owo kan tun we jemi man yoju no eta man Cynthia carry juju con social media. Cynthia carry juju con social media. If you never call Atiti for video call, carry juju con social media not to 24 hours. Mention my name for the juju, say I lie against you. Asun rabo fear kun le lo e wa gbon. Now you they pay all these social media presenters, make they fight themselves. They say they thief gold for Germany. Now you ban and say now you send people make they go thief gold because you don't like Edo people. They say they thief gold for Germany. You ban and say now you pay make they go thief that woman gold because you never have love for Edo people. Cynthia Ogbekwa, Cynthia Wole, Cynthia, what are you doing in Edo cyberspace? Igbo, they know they do video. You know they go that side. They know they do video. Yoruba know they do video. Voi kawe kami vie do nuwe Sharon OKPAMEN talk boy wagbon. Nuwe Sharon OKPAMEN talk boy Cynthia. Wetin they say you talk for Sharon matter. They say you talk say if I quit Dabi, nuwe Sharon talk boy. Cynthia na Sharon head go kill you. Cynthia wole the problem where you cause for Benin City, where you tell your godson may they call woman adulterous woman for the past 2 years. Now we dey so. I tell you, the juju where you do, the juju they work. Oh, I be not even remember your name again. Oh, now somebody can't wake my eye now. Somebody say Cynthia. The thing clear for my eye. Cynthia. Hey, me ite wa miamia. Where you go do that juju? Ite wa miamia. Wana ekere wana wawe bodana. Omano ji mesigo, jogia mesigo. Mene iwamia miemo eh. God will bless you for remembering me. This stupid name. Cynthia, you dey England, you not dey okay. You dey clean train station, you say you be nurse. You go come out for house, you go dey use nurse uniform dey disguise. Whereas you are a cleaner. Now two work you dey do. You dey clean inside hospital. You dey clean train station. Cynthia wole. Cynthia wole. Wetin make you descend so low? They think say na boo boo wan give you child. Boo boo where they mess small men. Pam. You are not ashamed of yourself that you bring yourself so low all the way from UK to Spain to come and be talking with that animal who does not even know his age. Somebody who I follow this side boss, I ask him, I say, what be your age? If they play plus before he play final, I tell him, I say my say now exactly the same age now with them. He could not know the exact age with the born up. It will be much better for you to the open bra, you know, open pants, just from UK come, go marry him. Meet off now, they should cook baby for a private party there. Bed of the same feather flows together. If you dey UK, you don't know your right from your left, Cynthia. You get money, you dey pack all your money for river. River, they flow your money, they go. You don't see good thing use your money do. You can't say you want to use how they pay presenters. Maybe they sort Edo women. Where did they say you talk for Sharon matter? People know they die for una people una place. Where till they talk for their matter that side? No wugbo e wa gbon no so wu no lori ade wa gbon. Ashawo ni there there ogbo. The new 24 latest adulterous woman. Cynthia wole Cynthia Ogbekwa. Cynthia uenogi. Cynthia ashi were wo te. Enagba enu pogodo. I think you go to switch you now because I saw your stupid gods not till they call the rest women. You go to celebrate, you they drink anything. you dey send 4,500 pounds to her. Mumu woman all day akpa. Olo chi akuna ogba ka mu gbogoda ogba toro susta chichi godo ogboke. May they translate that Igbo for you. Olo chi agbara wereni. Cynthia, this video not be for you first too. This video was dedicated to Golden and Sharon, Ebony Izzy, Golden. Ebony Tiema is for you, Cynthia. The video was for me to make peace. They be like say, what you they do for us? Be I not come understand your name, not come in my head again. But somebody now wake me up that I have a fight with a woman called Cynthia, who cost the hell of money I am spending today in Benin City. Cynthia, if it's easy, why you not carry lawyer for your stupid godson? The man wey senior you go they call you godson, you go they answer. Don't you see that you both are stupid to each other? Two of you now be to each other. As that man's worried because of money you dey help him. He know say he senior you, he dey call you godmother. The same man who asked me to be his godfather, when he know woefully that we are the same age of mate, he asked me to be his godfather. Don't you see that you are a bit stupid for associating with him? Now Juju just say hold you like that. Okay, now person wey senior you go they call you godmother, you see the answer godson. A wakpa. You dey England, you don't know anything. You jeje. Why don't you come and stay in Spain with him? Make two of na be together. You don't know say Atiti senior you, fool or dead. You don't know say Atiti senior you. Where you accept say you be Atiti godmother or dead. The day where Atiti tell me say may I be godfather, I tell him say what are you talking about? We are friends. He need that with the two letters. Get up. Now today I started to talk now. I said we are friends. Stop it. Why are you telling me I should be your godfather? He says since they follow me, they waka people they respect, and I say good. Since you know since they follow me, they waka people they respect you. Please continue this behavior. But at the end of the day, today will come. He become a mad person in the society. And he think he's doing right. He think he's doing right. He become a disgrace to himself and to his personality and to his household. Somebody will carry me. Any idea don't more one boy. He carry me sit down. They spoil the brother wife to me. Is that a human being? Is that a human? Cynthia, I'm asking you. Cynthia, they have problem in the left side of her nyash. Screenshot your nyash for social media and not let you do. Ozu, mugu. They don't use jazz. Oh, you describe attitude to your family for us. Say they see on a good native daughter. Okuta they one place, attitude like they one place. Attitude no Okuta no better, even though attitude one better. Did you see any progress in attitude's life? Can you testify one progress in attitude's life? Foolish Cynthia or dead. No, this video is not for you. I'll come for you. Your name don't come my memory back again now. So guys, thank you very Edobo. Cynthia, I said it's earlier the better call for peace. I'm a peaceful maker. When you call for peace, there's a question I want to ask you. I will leave you in peace. That's just me. But if you say no, even though the juju way they do, it work. And somebody just write your name, yes. Even though not in 1 month, I forget your name. Somebody write down one day, I go recollect. I will still start to insult you. I will saga you. You get document, come Germany, come do me for Germany. I will answer you. Because I get proof where you take call my enemy adultery, adulterous man. Where be say I not call you before. If you be present and I don't get problem with you. And a watcher like you take my matter and the matter of the ex-godmother of my foundation to a presenter because the woman follow me to travel. They start labeling us adulterous. If I have done that to you, go and lay cause. If not, Lagos. Then if you get right, come Germany, come report here. You get paper, come Germany, travel, come Nigeria they stay. Come report here with this video why they do so. Come report. Then I will tell them to file the paper from Benin City, from the court from the Benin City to Germany. So that the German will know the reason I am insulting you. I cannot be spending a hell of money in Benin City for the case where you cause, and you go there here. You call your face will can't be like pig face. I will leave you. No, I will saga you. I will insult you to the last day when my man go say, "Man, I leave you, may you go." If not tomorrow, my man say, "Man, I leave you, I'll leave you." If not next year, I will leave you. But you need to pay for the crime you commit. You know, if the court presenter, maybe they tell them say, because the ex-godmother of my foundation follow me travel, for that simple reason, now adultery will commit. You not be presenter, you are just a watcher. You get as a be now. You get as a be, Cynthia. Let me read this comment of this person. Bros, not just keep person with laugh. Oh, waiting I can't talk when they laugh. So Atitia, Cynthia, Gogomigo. Now Gogomigo ne be. Orobosa say, we know you as a peacemaker, not a saga man. God will not forgive those that are dragging you into saga. God bless you. Thank you very much. JB Idadasi, big brother, I greet you. Respect to you. Respect. My people, I think I dey explain and it is sweet. May everybody listen. This woman where they call Cynthia, why are they insult am now? Una know what she do. Maybe una don't the yes is them. Now my house I dey. The ex-godmother of my foundation, one I hear say stupid attitude, use 2 years plus, they call her adultery. Now this woman I dey under am. Now this woman they pay attitude money with do am. I dey my house, then they carry my matter the judge. This woman they tell presenter say, make the saga the woman. Say for the woman to enter the same flight with me, we have committed adultery. For the woman to follow me to go and visit her titi in her titi's house, we commit adultery. For me and the woman to stay in the same hotel, we commit adultery. We be say hotel big. Now different rooms now they inside hotel. Una not gonna catch me now with the woman for bed. Say una they play the video or una get the picture, nothing like that. Say they say this man lodge for this hotel, this woman lodge for this hotel. For that simple reason, we commit adultery. Now this so. Now this woman. Now I say my attitude, they sought the woman, they sought my enemy. So I get right to insult this woman back. So if I insult you, can't they pay you, madam? The least you can do, come and donate me here in Germany. And I will follow you to the last day. I go court with you. I go tell my lawyers for Benin, maybe they file the paperwork till they go court for Benin, come here. That is it. But if you want peace to reign, I have told you, now social media for the talk so. If you want peace to reign, then the peace will reign. I'm a peaceful person. I'm going to ask somebody to comment here now. I'm a peaceful man. Then we make a peace. Then you go your way, I go my way. If you say no, say this insult, God bless you, say very bad. Say this is, we say a double. Say this is sort, not they pay you for body, don't worry. It get the time, it will start to they pay you for body. I never increase them. This one why they do now, they do responsible man home. The time while they go street, they do like my enemy not correct again for street. They use that one, they saga you. That one will they enter your body, woto. That time you go no say not be only your stupid godson. Nice I be the talk if you dey street. You know say that one they talk 5 o'clock, go talk 4 o'clock, go they do video every 10 minutes. You they think say that one know how to tell the talk. Me, I no need to they do video every 5 minutes. But I'll start to they beat you for street. I'll they work out, they go supermarket, I go on live video, I'll they insult you. I go they come, I go they insult you. That time will come sit here. Till the day when my mind will say, man, I leave you, I go leave you. So that's how it will be. So thank you very much, everybody. God bless you all. Like I said, the video, it was because of Golden, Ebony, and Izzy. Okay, the cause I laid here is to Cynthia Cynthia Adewale, who lives in UK, who is not okay. Cynthia is not okay. Cynthia is depressed. As I'm speaking now, Cynthia has problem with her husband. Cynthia house is on fire. everyday people talk to us. Cynthia is a pain. Cynthia is a problem. Cynthia money cannot solve Cynthia problem now. These social media sagas is they don't give Cynthia problem for our matrimonial. Yes. She go surprised. They have this guy till they know this one. Now so it be in my life.